We got the bumper painted. Look at that, front bumper from white to red, and it's looking nice. And we got the wing painted as well. If you want to see a full paint job on this wing, keep watching this episode. So I managed to do it without taking the headlight off. We've got all the panners off now. Into the garage for scuffing. The wing is nice and straight, so we don't need to put no filler. We don't need to straighten nothing
It's right now, so that's all scuffed up. Ready to wash. Gonna give it a good wash.
As you can see, it's nice and shiny now. We've got a nice even wet coat of the lacquer, and it is looking very good. So what I'll do a fourth coat. I might do like a fourth dust coat. So I'll let it dry for like, because the sun's setting now, so I'll probably do about 20 to 30 minutes dry time. Once it's dry, I might do another wet coat. I'll do another fourth coat on it as well, like a dust coat. Then we can rub that down, get rid of the dust and compound it. And we get a nice even finish to it, hopefully. But let's see how it goes. End result after the fourth heavy wet coat. And oh my god!
Hold on, can I see
sounds
my
like
hand? Can I see my hand?
I
can see my hand.
I sound like Friends channel. Oh my god!
Can it be any more red?
Yeah, you know what? I'm actually so satisfied, so pleased that a DIY home job with spray cans has come this decent. I mean, it's got dust particles, but luckily it's just on the lacquer.
You gotta understand that this is not a professional in any way. It's not a spray booth.
Beg your pardon? Professional? Me? Nah.
It's no spray booth. And I mean, in this area that we've got with a lot of dust flying around, with so much vent coming in and out, you're going to expect to have dust particles on this, doing it at home basically. So what the best part of the extra lacquer we paid on is, so when we wet sand this area off now, it'll be nice and smooth gloss finish.
If I'm honest with you, I don't think so. You need to wet sand it. Look how silky, smooth.
And if you come to this angle, you'll see the dust part.
Yeah, I've showed that already. I've showed that. You can see the.
We're gonna have to wet sand and then the buff and polish out, and then hopefully we'll have that kind of. If you zoom out, you have that kind of gloss look.
Mirror finish.
Yeah, and the plan is once we do the bumper paving back, then whole compound and polish the whole car up, so we'll blend all the paint into the rest of the car.
I reckon we got lucky that the panel, the wing on the wing, it was quite decent shape.
Shall I tell you one other thing, Z?
Yeah.
The best thing that happened to us, and if you got it for free, this bloody stand for the clothes. You know when you iron whatever this bloody stand is, they were about to throw it out.
I wasn't going to say anything, but yeah.
You do it throw it out. I mean, look, it worked out perfect for us in a perfect height. You got the wings sitting there perfect.
We got some jerry cans, we got the fuel tank, but no fuel. They haven't been used, so they haven't got no fuel. There's no danger of explosion. Nope, nothing at all. They're just empty.
Literally, if you see this garage, like, we've emptied the garage. We got to turn it in.
Oh, Supra spoiler, Supra wheel. We got Pro Drive wheel. We got a spare JDM wheel. Supra gearbox, manual one as well. W5A. So, yeah. Supra headlight. Supra wells. Oh, Datsun parts over there. Two box.
We're trying to clean this garage out and make it.
And Datsun engine, Supra seats, Supra dashboard. Okay.
So boring that we're going to make the video too long.
Yeah.
Yes, the plan is we're going to clean this garage up, make it spick and span, get all the parts we don't need, chuck them away. What we need, keep them aside, and then hopefully have a car sitting in here. Future plans are hopefully get an E30 in here, finish that off, or one of our Datsun finish off.
I'll say Datsun.
Whichever one we can.
But I'm still saying.
Back to the Golf.
Well, you know what? I can keep watching this. I mean, there's 15-minute dry time in between the coats, 2 hours dry time to get it hard and solid. You know, I just want to touch it, but can't. Restriction.
We always talk about is having a compressor, and you know what the best compressor to have if you're living in a residential area is a silent compressor that doesn't make too much loud.
I mean, I've been looking at the laws in the UK. To be honest with you, if you got a 2K lacquer or paint, you can't. It has to be a 10-meter distance between you and the neighbor. But if you got a 1K, that's legalized. If you got neighbors, you can paint it because this was 1K. So
yeah, but this is getting technical now. I mean, we're just generally speaking. If you got nice neighbors, and you will obviously look after them and look after you, so it's give and take. So, for example, obviously, when we spray, tell them that you're doing this, so at least they can lock the windows up. Or the best option is when everybody's nice asleep at night time, then do it then. At least
abs. It's getting a bit too long. This episode is. What we are going to do is we're going to put this wing on tomorrow when it's dry and solid onto the car, and we might just end the episode here. What do you reckon?
Yeah, and then do the bumper on the next.
And then we'll do the bumper on the next. I mean, we'll see. Or we might not record a bumper when we're doing the paint and all that, and we can just.
You know that ain't gonna happen.
Complete it towards. Yeah, all right. Okay, we'll let this dry. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll put this wing on the car, match the paint, see how good and bad it looks, and we'll take it from there. Booyah! So this is the wing. We are gonna put it on.
Scratch it.
No, don't say that. And boom, there you go. That's the end result. And you know what? I am absolutely pleased with this. It was nerve-wracking trying to put the wing on because it's fresh paint and I didn't want to scratch it. But we got the wing on and we got the headlight on. Now the episode for this complete thing should be out, I reckon, by tomorrow maybe. So watch the space. And if I show you, we also are painting the front bumper currently. So let me show you how far we got with that one. So as you can see, we got the front bumper all painted. Just gotta let it dry up now. And it is looking nice and shiny. So once this is dry, we're gonna put this on the car. And once this is on the car, it'll be all complete. But we still need to do the windscreen. We still need to do the interior bit. We need to change the driver's side seat. Hopefully complete interior. And we need to wet sand this and the wing, compound it, polish it, get it all ready. So guys, like I said, the episode should be out soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you soon.